Okay, so you've seen a few slides now about how to mind map, and I'm just going to quickly show you how I would go about doing it. You've just seen a slide where your teacher has gone through all of the key bits of information you should have highlighted when we're looking at the what. So I'm just going to crack on with step 2, which is writing the topic in the centre of the page. So we are looking at what, how, why paragraphs. So that is now written in the centre of my page. I'm just going to circle that as my main topic. The next step is to write out some subheadings. So I am just going to write what here. And actually, thinking about it, I'm going to use some of my own advice, which is to write what or a subheading in a different colour. I'm going to put it in this reddy pink because it's the colour we use in lessons, and hopefully that means we can start making some connections between what we are revising and what we have learnt in lessons. I'm also going to take the advice of putting in a little symbol, so you're going to see how good I am at art now. Look at this truly beautiful light bulb. But there is a symbol to help me remember what the what is about. Once I've sorted my subheading, I'm going to start including the key bits of information. So I'm looking back at what I've highlighted, and I have highlighted the words big idea. So I'm just going to pop the what is all about our big idea. I have also highlighted that our supporting sentence should always link back to the what. So I'm just going to write supporting sentences. And then I'm just going to do a little equals. And I'm going to write link back to what. I'm also going to just include some information about the questions we could ask ourselves. So we can ask ourselves, what is the big idea? And that will help us work out the what. And then I'm just going to write out what impression do we get of a character. And there were lots of questions that were like this, so I'm just going to abbreviate it to one question and put in the key bits of information. What impression do we get of a character, scene, or setting? Okay, and that is it. After I've put in a question mark, that is it. To summarise, we highlighted some key information, then we wrote our topic in the centre of the page, we drew a line to our subheading and our what, and then we made some key notes about what a what is. The final step is to repeat this process as many times as you need, so it's now over to you so you can mind map how.